In this video, we will talk about gold investments and everything you need to know about it. So if you'd like to know about this topic, then stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Financial Fitness channel. Remember, our channel is all about money and self-development tips. So if you haven't subscribed to us yet, remember to hit that subscribe button down below and let's get this started.
So how do gold investment work? Gold investments has always been a favorite trend among investors, especially during the economic downturn, because it usually tends to move in the opposite direction of a stock investment. That means if the stock market falls, the prices of gold generally rises or stays the same. Even during the financial crisis of 2008, most financial sectors were severely affected, but gold prices remained relatively stable. That is why many investors use gold investments as a form of risk diversification to stock investments. It is so that they can preserve their wealth even when their stock investments are not performing well. But in my opinion, the only reason gold is a good investment choice is because most people see gold as a valuable asset. So as long as people value gold and its demand remains strong, with its limited supply, the value should go up. So where to buy gold investments? Nowadays, you don't have to own physical gold to earn from gold investments. There are many types of financial instruments in the market that allow you to invest in gold without actually owning the physical gold. The first one that most people would choose is through gold investment account. Gold investments account are accounts where you can buy and sell gold, and most of the banks offer online services for this, which makes it really convenient and easy. Let me show you how. So I'm gonna show you how to open a bank investment account using CIMB Clicks. So you can use any other bank accounts, Maybank, Public Bank, RHB, any other accounts. Most of the banks in Malaysia actually offer these services. So once you've logged into CIMB Clicks, on the left side, you should be able to see Apply and Invest. And under Apply and Invest, scroll down a little, you'll be able to see Gold Investment Account. So there's three dots over here. So this drop down bar, it's for you to, you can have a look like, gold calculator, how much you actually want to invest, how much you want to buy. It states here that the bank currently is selling it at 246 ringgit per gram. We are always looking at bank sell price when we are trying to buy gold, and if we want to sell the gold back to the bank, then we'll be looking at the buying price, because the bank would be buying from us. So for example, if let's say today I'm looking to buy, so I can work out, if I want to buy 2 grams, how much that's gonna cost me. So I would recommend going by grams. So if let's say you were to choose, for example, you want to invest 500 ringgit, it would be like 2.03 grams, which can be a problem later when you try to sell it, because they sell by grams. So the 0.03 would be a problem. So I'm not sure how they're gonna do this. Like maybe you have to top up some more to sell that off, but I'm not gonna try it today. So we can just go by with just 2 grams or 1, 2, 3 and so on. That's done. Then let's go right into it. So if you were to click invest, all right, there's like a disclaimer. So yes, then can choose, let's say 2 grams of gold. That will be 492.60 cents. Then you can choose debiting from which account. Accept. and you can just submit. So it's actually really easy to invest in gold. Literally, just by clicking this, you can actually create a gold investment account. For example, here, let's say we just press submit. Okay, the payment. Done. That's it. So if you were to go to my account and you scroll down, under investments, you'll be able to see, ta-da, your gold investment account that you have just created. So it'll be recorded in grams, and it would state the equivalent amount of the selling rate. If let's say today I want to sell this 2 grams, this is the amount that I would get back. So remember just now I paid about 490 something to buy these 2 grams. So that's the selling rate the bank is offering right now. But for them to buy it back from us, 479 is the amount that they would pay us to buy back the 2 grams of gold. So if you were to click in, you'll be able to see, okay, so 2 grams, the transaction history, 2 grams, I bought it at 492 ringgit and 60 cents, but currently if I want to sell it, it would be at 479 ringgit and 40 cents. The minimum buying amount is usually 1 gram of gold, but some banks may have different terms and conditions. So make sure you check with your respective banks before you make a trade.
Another way to invest in gold is through gold ETFs. Gold ETF is very similar to trading stocks on the share market. But instead of tracking share prices, gold ETF monitors gold prices. And just like shares, you can also invest in gold ETF through Bursa Malaysia. We will not go into too many details about how ETF works in this video, but if you'd like to learn more about investing in ETF, you can check out our ETF video right over here. Finally, the most old-fashioned way to invest in gold is to own the physical gold itself. For example, like gold jewelry, gold coins, or even gold bar. You can buy any of these gold items at regular jewelry stores or sometimes even banks. Just make sure that you check the credibility of that business before you buy, because you don't want to end up buying fake gold and getting scammed. Usually, people will store their gold at home or in a safe box somewhere. Then once the selling price is higher than their purchase price, they will take it out and resell their gold at the gold shops. Just take note, if you're buying gold as an investment, it would be better to choose gold bar or gold coin instead of gold jewelry. This is because most of the time jewelry is not just made out of gold. It may be made from a combination of other materials such as silver, gemstone, or any other non-gold items. So the shop owner will charge you a melting fee and some other service charges to remove all the non-gold. So if you'd like to know which gold investment is the best, the most popular way to invest in gold is undoubtedly through gold investment account. But all in all, it really depends on your own preference. If you do not mind taking a higher risk, then you may consider gold ETF. But if you want something physical to hold, then you can consider buying gold bars. But just take note that it may not be easily liquidated, so it can be a little bit inconvenient when you want to quickly convert it into cash. So if you really do decide to open a gold investment account, here are 4 things that you need to look at to see which account is the best for you. Number 1 is to check the selling price. Of course, you want to aim for the lowest price there is. Number 2 is the fees and charges. Some banks do have fees and charges, but some do not have. So just take note. Number 3, the minimum gram of purchase and also what is the minimum balance required. And number 4, finally, do they offer physical gold conversion in case you want to have the physical gold instead. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to us yet, remember to hit that subscribe button down below and we will see you next time. Bye!